The massage ball shoulder exercise targets the tight areas on the front, side, and rear deltoids to release muscle tension, improve mobility, and enhance recovery by promoting better blood flow around the shoulder joint. You can do this on the floor or leaning against a wall. However, I find doing this against a wall allows for better control of pressure and positioning, making it easier to target specific muscle areas rather than lying on the floor. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand by a wall with your feet hip width apart, or if you don't have access to a wall, lie on the floor. To target the side deltoids, stand with your side against the wall or lying on your side on the floor with the massage ball positioned on the side of your shoulder. To target your rear deltoids, stand with your back against the wall or lying on your back on the floor with the massage ball positioned on the back of the shoulder. To target the front deltoids, stand facing the wall or lying on your stomach on the floor with the massage ball positioned on the front of your shoulder. Lean your body weight into the massage ball at a level that feels firm but not painful. Slowly roll the ball around the back, side, and front of the shoulder area, moving it up and down, side to side, or in small circular motions, spending about 30 seconds to 1 minute on each side. Identify any tight or sore spots, then pause on those areas, applying gentle pressure for deeper muscle release. Use small circular motions to help release knots but avoid causing sharp pain. Repeat the same steps on the other shoulder. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.